The following experiment is dangerous. Do not try this at home. No, really, don't.
This is a crab, a dead one. Soft, pulpy flesh sealed inside a tough outer casing. The perfect combination for microwave experimentation. The sideways walking crustacean uses its exoskeleton to protect its internal organs at great depths on the ocean floor. Luckily for us, microwave radiation passes straight through the shell, heating the watery innards and building up pressure until crab paste. The force of the fishy gas escaping is enough to blow off the door, spewing crab juice everywhere. We do these experiments so you don't have to. Do not try this at home.